My credit score plummeted because of loans I never took. Then I found out my own brother was using my identity to gamble. I had to choose between saving my future or letting my family guilt me into silence. I thought the bank made a mistake until I saw my own name tied to a debt I never took. It started with a polite email. Your loan repayment is overdue. I laughed. I didn't have a loan. I figured it was a spam, deleted it, and moved on. But then came another and another. Different lenders, same message, thousands of dollars. That's when my stomach dropped. I pulled my credit report. 3 active loans, all in my name, all taken out within the past 4 months. I felt sick. I called the first lender. Yeah, the account's active. The guy said casually, you've even made a couple payments. I hadn't. Can you confirm the contact email? I asked. He read it out. It wasn't mine, but I knew exactly whose it was. My younger brother. I didn't want to believe it. He still lived at home, worked part-time, always talking about digital assets and metaverse casinos. I drove us straight to my parents' house. He was in his room, headset on, completely locked in. I pulled it off his head. What the hell are you doing with my name? He froze, like a kid caught stealing. I was gonna tell you, he said quietly. Tell me what? That you've been taking out loans in my name? He didn't deny it. Instead, he said something worse. I just needed a little push. I was close to winning it back. Winning what back? That's when it all came out. He'd been gambling in these virtual worlds, digital casinos where you bet crypto on fake games that somehow felt more real than anything. He lost his savings, then he borrowed, then he spiraled. And when no one would lend to him anymore, he used me. I was paying it back, he insisted. You didn't even notice. I stared at him. I noticed when I got a debt notice. He looked smaller than I'd ever seen him. You don't understand, he said. I almost hit big. One more round and no. I cut him off. That's the whole problem. There's always one more round. That was the turning point. Not anger, not shouting, clarity. I reported the fraud, even knowing it would mean consequences for him. My parents begged me not to. He's your brother? My mom said. Yeah, he is. And that's exactly why I couldn't let him keep destroying both our lives. The investigation took weeks. The debts got frozen. My credit slowly started recovering. My brother doesn't talk to me anymore. But last I heard, he finally got help. And me, I learned something I wish I didn't have to. Sometimes the hardest line you draw isn't against a stranger. It's against someone you love, right when they expect you to look the other way.